Hey, let me show you a quick unboxing of the HUAWEI Watch Fit Special Edition. So let's quick overview of the box. We've got information about the custom watch faces, built-in GPS, the sleep tracking, automatic SpO2 measurement, the heart rate monitoring, smart life assistant, over 100 workout modes, and water resistance. There we got also the QR code for the application, and at the bottom the name of the device with the color. So now let's open it. At the bottom we can find this small sticker that we can actually cut out. There we go. And now we can go inside. There's nothing more in this box, and right here we've got our watch with this protection on the screen. And if you wonder what we can find in the box, so let me show you. Let's find out how we can open it. Okay, I'm not sure, maybe from this part. Yeah, definitely. So right here we can find the USB cable, yeah, the charger actually. From here we can also find the warranty card. That's the user manual, I guess. And there's some kind of the stickers, and that's all. There's nothing more inside. So yeah, let's see how the watch looks. Let's take off this foil. So that's the screen. Let's see how to take off the strap. So right here we can find the sensor, the gold pins for the charger. If you want to turn it on, you have to click and hold this power button. There we go. And if you want to remove the bands, you will have to actually click right here somehow, but I'm not sure how, so I'm gonna check it on the YouTube. But yeah, that's basically it, the quick unboxing of this device. If you want to find some tutorials, you can check my channel, you can check my YouTube channel. I'm going to show you some basic information, how to pair, how to change language, and other stuff like this. So that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.